Hi, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. And today we're gonna make a giveaway and we'll style some bangs. No, guys, I didn't cut my hair. I think I'm not ready for that. Bangs are annoying and they're fun, but only maybe one day in a month. For me, it's okay. But other than that, no. If you have bangs, you can style them like I'm showing in this tutorial, but if you don't have and you are not sure to cut your hair or not, you can use E-litchi bangs.
Okay guys, if you don't have bangs and you're not sure to cut them or not, stay tuned till the end. So I'm grabbing my E-litchi clip-in bangs and I'm applying it, but first I'm making a ponytail. This way for me is easier because I'm not straightening my hair. So, like I said, for my straight look, I'll use bangs' best friends, a comb and a flat iron. First, I'll make sure to brush my fringe and then use a flat iron and again brush it. Guys, when your hair is hot, make sure to position the way you want it to stay all day, because when your hair is hot, it will copy the position very quickly. So make sure to bring it the way you like it when it's hot. Then I'm releasing my ponytail and making sure that my front sections of my hair, I'm bringing only small pieces over my ears so it will not fall under the fringe. For the second look, I am bringing my fringe a little lower and then I'm kind of making a side parting of my bangs like that, and then again grabbing my flat iron, I'll bring my hair using this flat iron a little away from my face. Make sure to not curl it, you just give a little wave to it, and again remember, hair when it's hot, it remembers the position so quickly. Then I'll use some hairspray to fix it even better in place, and I'm done. I decided to take a step further and use some faux fur clips to make my hairstyle fun. I'm bringing my fringe even lower. This is amazing for those that are growing out their bangs or they like the look of longer bangs. So using the same flat iron, we'll curl a little bit our bangs away from our face. I'll incorporate and my hair as well. And as you can see, I'm curling. So I'm curling only the mid-length. Basically my favorite look of the bangs. I love them even longer, to be honest, because it's easier to work with. And guys, this hairstyle reminds me so much of my mama's hairstyle from kind of 90s, 20s, I think. And I think it's so fun, and like I said, that's my favorite. I hope you like it too, because I just loved filming this video, to be honest.
For those girls that are not sure they want to cut their hair or not really, like me, today we have a giveaway with E-litchi hair extensions. So we'll pick up 3 winners that will win a pack with fringe. And don't worry, they will send the bangs that matches your hair color in case you are the winner. Now they have Valentine's Day sale, so make sure to check out their website if you want a longer hair extensions, not only bangs. And also, by the way guys, I have a big discount code for you, make sure to use it. Also, I'll leave all the details in the info bar, also the bangs that I'm wearing, and the giveaway rules will be in the description box below, but they are so simple. So giveaway rules for YouTube are: like this video, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel if you aren't subscribed yet, that's 2. Then subscribe to E-litchi YouTube channel, that's 3. And leave me in comments down below your Instagram account so we can reach out to you and send the details in case you are the winner. So guys, basically we're making a giveaway, but it will be here on YouTube and also on Instagram. We'll collect all of you and we'll make the giveaway. Guys, if you want to increase your chances, make sure to enter in here and on Instagram as well. Of course, randomly we'll choose the winner and E-litchi will send the bangs that matches your hair color. Good luck, guys! So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. I hope that it was fun for you. If you want more hairstyles, maybe for bangs, make sure to let me know in comments down below so I'll make more hairstyles with bangs on. But that's it for today, guys. And you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!